able to do free look here. There we go. Thank you. Free look was not working. See, and I got some of my controls for Arma that I just don't have set up yet. And it might cause me an issue here at some point. Is that guy just watching it? Sitting in a bush somewhere? He might be. He's not down there. Yeah, I do. There he is, right there. Damn it, man. Seriously, what the hell is that? Got him. There we go. I am just inside that freaking blue circle too. Holy crap. Now, about those explosions. I don't want to ride the edge of this circle here for a minute. A little bit, huh? See if anybody's pushing in. Going over. Oh shit, am I technically out of the circle? Ugh. I might have been close to being out of the circle there. I have a feeling somebody's watching this hill already. They'd be dumb not to with all those explosions. Now, again, I have the volume cranked up a little higher than normal, so that might not have been as close as it sounded, but I'm pretty sure that was pretty close. There's a car over by that house. Sounded medium distance for me. Yeah, it wasn't like right on top of me for sure, so your definition of medium distance may be correct. Trying to see if there's anybody moving on that hill, and I'm not seeing anybody. I gotta check that circle. Not a big fan of the position I put myself into, though. And I think that's one of the things where I gotta play a little more if I want to get better, because I think positioning towards the end of matches is where I kind of always screw myself. Not a big fan of the positions I put myself into. I gotta check something real quick. I'm at 115,935. Okay, yeah, I gotta move. There's the circle right there. Those are snaps at me. A little iffy on keeping this freaking backpack much longer. Cause yeah, we're into crawling territory now. This backpack sticks out like a freaking sore thumb. I got gunfire all around me. Somebody did one snap from over this way. Most of that was center of the circle, but and I just walked out of the circle. Oh, supply crate. Tease. This game is such a tease. Alright, what do we got here? not big on this. I almost prefer, even though you give up the high ground, I almost prefer bottom of the hill sometimes, because at least you can see up and see what shit is going down. There's a car right there. So we know where some of this action's coming from, and yeah, these bastards are close. Okay, we should be inside the circle. Definitely inside the circle here. Five to go? Alright, I was just about to ask how many guys. I was gonna check too. You will cause a landslide with that vacuum. Yeah, I know, I know. We're ditching it. We're gonna ride this AK. That's what we're gonna do. That circle's freaking tiny, man. There's a dead body right there. That's the thing. There's a guy somewhere right around here. I guarantee it. Oh, there's a couple guys because this circle's getting tiny. Silence gun. Yeah, this is where I blow it. I'm in a piss poor spot. You shitting me? There we go! First win, baby! First win! Chicken frickin' dinner.